Alright you guys, starting off with a track of hair. It's basically bent in the middle and doubled. I doubled all my tracks for this look because I really want the tracks to be thick and to cover my thick hair. Also, you're going to need bobby pins. So I didn't show this up closely, which I regret, but I put a bobby pin on the end of the track that didn't end and bobby pinned it down, and then you just start wrapping it around your hair. This is just basic ponytail instructions, like how you would do any regular old ponytail. And I just go ahead and wrap it around and then bobby pinned it right there. And then I also took another track, which you'll see with a bobby pin on the end where it folds, if that makes sense, and then place it down in the bun and then wrap it around. So stick it in and then wrap it around. At the end of this clip, you're going to see me show you guys what it looks like and kind of shake the ponytail. But I also added another, maybe half a bundle. And I'm going by the bundles in this pack, which you'll see, not like actual average bundles when you buy bundles online. But I just continued to wrap it around until it was done. And like I said, I did add another row of hair. It had to be like maybe, it was a third row. I can't really explain how much it was, but I just did it enough to the point where it covered my little ball in the back. I know you guys can't see that well with this, but I just wanted to show you guys what I did and how I got this hairstyle. Didn't really want it to be a tutorial, but here I am telling you guys how I did it, so I hope you can see. But like I said, it's just basic ponytail knowledge. If you've done a ponytail before, it's literally the same thing. Also, that I didn't show on this video was after I put on the third row of hair and bobby pinned it down, I then grabbed some hair from underneath the ponytail and wrapped it around it to cover the tracks at the top. Again, basic ponytail knowledge. And as you can see, this is how it looked with just those two on here. And then I added the third row so it can cover up that little bun that you see sticking out. Then I just added some gold bobby pins for decoration, and that was it. It looks so natural, you guys. It looks just like my curl pattern. It matches to a T. So I really, really like that about this hair. Alright you guys, so this is the finished results. I freaking love it. I ran out of black bobby pins, so you can see these, you know, these gold bobby pins, but when I actually do this to where I'm going to make sure I get some more black bobby pins, I just ran out, you know, sometimes you just run out of black bobby pins. But to slick my hair down, I use my Holy Grail gel, the Jamaican black castor oil gel. I love this gel. It's my favorite gel of life. As you can see, I've gone through this entire tube. I use this on my edges mixed with some Got2b glue because sometimes, you know, you just need your edges to not move, and this is the best combination that works for me. And then I use a little toothbrush, and then I had a little small comb that I normally use for my edges. I don't know what I did with it. It's missing. So I don't know exactly what I did, but anyway, so this is the hair to give you guys a thought frame or whatever on the hair. This is the Outre Brazilian Boutique 100% human hair premium blend. It comes with 3 bundles and a 4-inch closure. So I'm going to show you guys really quick. I got this hair specifically just to make a ponytail with. I did not get it to do any type of wigs. But this is the hair texture right here. So it really does look like, you know, curly hair that you would buy from like real bundles, except it's not 100% human hair, but it's a premium blend. I don't know how premium, but this is what it looks like. I got this in 18 inches because I figured that's all I needed for the ponytail of this size. And like I said, the hair looks really nice and soft. I really like how it looks. Like it actually looks like human hair, so that was a plus. That's the reason why I got it. This is the Virgin Curly. And this is what the closure actually looks pretty natural too. So, you know, Outre, you know, we see you out here. We see how you are doing your bundles, okay? Because this is a pretty nice closure. Hopefully you guys can see it. It's still attached, but you can see like the parting right here. You guys can see the parting. So it's a pretty natural parting. Like I said, the closure looks really good. So I'm actually extremely shocked because most of the time when you get these little 3 bundle, 4 bundle pack solutions of hair, like they give you that little ugly circle closure. It's like, come on now, who's really finna use this ugly circular closure? Not I. So I'm really excited about the hair. Like I said, I just gotta do low ponytails because I've been wanting to do one for a long time. So I hope you guys could see. I don't have my other camera to show you guys. Like, it would have been way better quality or not even just better quality, but it's way better in low lighting than my Canon Rebel camera, which I'm using right now. So I'm hoping that I'm in focus, and I'm hoping that this footage isn't extremely grainy, which I'm pretty sure it is. But we gotta work with what we got until we're able to get my other camera. So that's my thoughts on this hair. This is really just first impressions. Obviously I'm not going to be sleeping in this. This is why I do not, this is why I make wigs, and this is why I don't do sew-ins, because when you sleep in hair, it just does not last as long. You sweat in the night, it gets tangled. But if you absolutely have to sleep in hair, I highly recommend getting one of those really long silk bonnets, because that's going to make your hair last a lot longer, which I probably could do that if I had one of those long silk bonnets, sleeping in at night, so I don't gotta take it down. But I have no problem taking it down and just redoing it the next day. It only takes a few minutes. So yeah, I actually think this is a pretty good deal. This is what the hair looks like in the pack, and it was $27.99. This is what the back looks like. Try not to drop these bundles. So the model, the way she's wearing it, it's okay. It looks kind of weird and fake on her, but I actually think it looks better in person than it does on the model. I don't know what they be doing, these hair companies, man. Like, you want to make the hair look real and sellable. Like some of these models, like with some of the wigs that I buy, it's like the only reason why you're getting sales is because of us here on YouTube, who actually tweak and show people like, this is what the wig can look like if you do this. Because if we just buy it straight from looking at the model, like a lot of wigs would not be sold because they look horrible. But I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, I hope you guys thumbs up and subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat to keep up with me in my daily life. But I thank you guys so much for watching, and have a good day.